Assalamu alaikum. Today you will learn about web servlet annotation in JSP and Servlets. Please be informed that this is the 9th tutorial. So before moving on, please go through the previous tutorials and then come back to this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. In my project, I have created a HTML file which is home.html. In this, I have created a simple form tag which contains nothing but a submit button and it is pointing to home. So we also need to build a servlet for this. So let's create a servlet. I'll right click on my package, go to new class. Let's call this servlet as home servlet. Click on finish and extend this with HTTP servlet. In this, I'm going to create a service method. Let me just rename these arguments, which is request and response. So here I'll simply say response dot get writer dot print hello from home servlet, so that we would know that this servlet has been called. So now what's left? We also need to make a mapping for this, and where we need to create the mapping? We create the mapping in our web.xml. But this time we are not going to do so. Instead, what we are going to do, we will be using annotation called web servlet. So let's just do that. Web servlet, and here we will specify the mapping of it. So in our HTML file, we were calling home mapping. Hence, we will be specifying this mapping here. Right? Now let's save everything and run this. Right click, run as, run on server. Okay, click on submit button. There we have it. So let's see how this is working. So here we have created a HTML file with a form having only one submit button. So whenever the user clicks on this submit button, the control goes to the action part, which is home. So the control search for home mapping. Since we are not using any XML file, instead we are using web servlet. And in this we are specifying the mapping of it, which is again home. So the control will jump onto this servlet and execute whatever command that we have written in here. As simple as that. So there you have it.